Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. If you love using dark mode for a comfortable viewing experience, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the dark theme in Microsoft Word. Let's dive in. Open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, click on the File tab in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Account. This will open the Word Options window. Under Office Theme, select Black for the darkest theme. And there you have it. Word now has a sleek, dark look. And that's how easy it is to enable the dark theme in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.